APEM offers their 12-piece piezoelectric PZ series keypad. With a 10 million cycle life due to movement-free activation, this keypad is intended for applications requiring high reliability. And because of its closed surface, the keypad is sealed up to an IP68 rating, preventing the ingress of liquids and other contaminants. This means that it can be installed on a washable surface, making it ideally suited for medical or food industry equipment. This keypad series can be front or rear mounted, and its flush keys and aluminum face provide an efficient and smooth surface while presenting a sleek aesthetic. The standard marking from 0 to 9 is available, but the markings can also be customized on request.